Hey folks, middle of October. Look at these numbers. 103 Rio Grande City, 99 in McAllen, 93 in Harlingen. Raymondville checks in at 92. The beach, the cool spot at 86 degrees, and even in Brownsville, we're checking in at 90 right now. Add that humidity in, which is up there, and it feels like it's warmer than it is. Feels like 95 at the beach, feels like 104 in McAllen. Boy, the heat is on. And look at the rest of the state. There's obviously no sign of any cool weather in the state right now. It's 94 all the way up to Amarillo, 88 in Oklahoma City, 91 in Dallas. Very warm air in place across the state, but things should change by the time we get to the end of the week, courtesy of a front that's making its way toward Texas. Now, it's not here tomorrow. We're still warm. In fact, we're still hot and we're still humid, and we are again on Wednesday as well. It's not until Thursday when we see this front pushing across the state and finally cooling most of the state off, and probably cooling us off a little bit too. Likely to bring some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm with it when it comes in. At this point, it looks like the second half of the day on Thursday. It goes through and most of Texas cools off pretty nicely. We'll cool off a little bit. Some of the models say there'll still be some leftover rain Friday morning. But by Friday afternoon, it's gone. The drier air builds in, and it turns out quite nice for the second half of Friday and for the weekend. So temperatures will cool off a little bit. You'll see a little bit of a change on Thursday, but because the front doesn't get here till the second half of the day, we're able to warm up for a while. Then the front comes in and we cool it off. And I think for Friday, our high is probably only in the upper 70s. It ought to be a gorgeous night for football on Friday night. The Doppler network's been about as quiet as it can be today, and Future Track suggests the night is quiet as well. The only thing to deal with is humidity. And then tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny again. Our resolution model shows the sea breeze trying to activate, but failing to do so. Wednesday, same story, mostly sunny skies and a dry day. But look at Thursday, when the front comes in, chance of rain jumps to 50%. Then it drops to 20% for Friday, and that's mainly for the morning hours. There's your satellite again across Texas. We're still tracking one system over the southeastern Bahamas. 60% chance of developing the next 5 days. You can see most of the movement slowly to the northeast. Not going to do much of anything. If you're traveling in Texas tomorrow, check this out. In the Panhandle, only 53 degrees, while Dallas is 73, San Antonio 71. By afternoon, a lot of the state recovers into the 80s and 90s, but Amarillo still cooler at about 77 degrees. So for us tonight, mainly clear skies, warm and still humid, 74. Tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, hot again. Right back up to 96. It's still hot on Wednesday. We're going 94. And then Thursday, that's the transition day when we see a shower, a couple of them, maybe a thunderstorm with the front. And then much cooler for Friday, only about 78 degrees. Could be a lingering shower in the morning. And the weekend looks terrific. 80s for highs, 50s and 60s for lows. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.